I'm in the backyard on my next mission here. It warmed up to a whopping 2 below, so you know it's quite tropical out now. You don't need gloves or anything for that. It's no negative 55, but you know, we've got all the necessary equipment in travel with us for yet another cold start, because it seems like the old Ford Highboys are getting a lot of recognition lately, which is good. And you know, the negative 55 cold start, a lot of people were saying, well, you know, you'd snap off your oil pump drive shaft on the distributor and ruin your motor and all that kind of stuff. So I got one thing to say. You want to see me do it again? Anyhow, jokes aside, much like firing up the old snow machines the other day, it wouldn't be a Backyard Alaskan winter if we didn't fire up the old boom truck.
Because I'm green, isn't it?
Now, if you're new to the channel, this is a 1971 Ford F-250 four-wheel drive. However, the four-wheel drive doesn't work because the front end's blown up, because I blew it up. But she's chained up in the rear, has a limited slip axle that I put in it, but I can guarantee you right now that she's not going to go anywhere. But we're still going to fire it up just for the sake of firing it up. But once again, if you're new, she's the yard truck around here. Has a janky boom that I built in high school on it, and it's done a heck of a lot of work for me. Usually use it to hoist motors into rigs and whatnot, but she's just a good old rig. Was in one crazy accident back in the 90s and basically changed hands a million times locally, and even powered a sawmill at one point. So let's get the snow cleaned off and see if this old thing will fire up. Now see, you just don't find custom sheet metal on rigs anymore. Look at the shiny chrome. There's about how much snow we've got total this year. There's the top of the hood. Yeah, hopefully it, you know, simmers down a little bit, but I'm sure we'll get more. Well, that took a bit. It can keep its fancy little snow hat because, you know, I kind of sort of maybe broke the handle off my fancy snow broom here during the archaeological dig on the hood. Just swim our way through here. I bet you thought that door handle worked. Now don't get me wrong, it's a bump side door. It always closes perfectly fine. But she requires the inside latch. Now we just gotta grab our custom billet, one of a kind hood prop here. Once again, just another plain Jane run-of-the-mill 360 FE here. However, I did put a fancy pants Holly on her last summer, so you know, she might start a little easier now. So we'll just fill this void with the electrocute myself device, and we'll see what happens. Now, tech tip for you: if your battery connections don't fit tight, don't go get a wrench and do it the right way. Just flip them upside down. We'll get this thingy off of there and prime her up a little bit. Right down the vent and fill that bowl. And a little bit down there. Wow, now that I almost tripped and face planted that tree back there, we'll climb in here and see what she does. At least it cranks over pretty fast. It's amazing how that'll happen when it's not negative 55. Doesn't sound like this battery's gonna have much in it though. So we'll give her the best possible chance of going. Get rid of that. Stay there, hang out, take a vacation, whatever you want to do. Still need to put a choke cable in this thing, but you know. Oh, she's almost there. And we're gonna lose the battery before she goes. Yep. Oh, that's a long walk through the snow. But we don't give up. After the long journey back to the garage, we got the big guns yet again, the 950 cold cranking amps. So we'll let that marinate and go have a try once more. Amazing what a good battery will do. She's even sitting there idling already. Go try again here. Just a unit. Give her a little more than just a shock. Let's see your Tesla do this. Wonder if she even will budge. No, that's all she's got. Already spinning out. I've already blown up one Dana 24. I don't really need to do it again. Let's just see how she starts back up. Well, I let it get a good heat cycle in it before I shut it off. There you go. Yet another testament to how tough these old Ford Highboys are. This old thing has never let me down. She always fires up, and here's a prime example of it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't a bunch of snow rallying and all that stuff that we'd like to see. If it was 4x, sure, she'd probably do it, but two-wheel drive, she ain't gonna go much distance here, especially with all this snow. But yeah, till the next snowy adventure, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, I'll see you later.